Well, it's Tuesday, November 11th. Happy Veterans Day to all my fellow veterans out there.
It was 34 degrees yesterday, so we opted not to unload. We were going to get her unloaded tonight. It's currently 56. Get her pulled out, get everything unloaded here at the store. She got dirty again. That little rain shower we had Saturday night got everything nasty.
After we already had it cleaned up, but we'll get at it. Saturday night damage report. Fender. And the deck panel. Per usual, Bump was trying to massage this to get it look nice. I'm like, send it. He's just gonna smash it again. The line was way up high in 1 and 2, and I'm pretty sure that's where he got it, or the backstretch wall. She's tucked in for tonight. We'll get her some of the body off of it, give her a good bath on Friday afternoon or Saturday, depending on what's going on. Got pit carts everywhere. The old one, Doug kept it, and then the new one. Cleanup has started. This was our bell housing that we were running with this motor until we put it in the Longhorn, or pulled it out of this one. And as you can see, if it shows up, it's cracked from there all the way through there, all the way down there. And I think that was probably part of our starter problem. When you go to start it, that would obviously flex away from the flywheel, and why it was having so many issues. She's junk. Well, good morning. It's Saturday, about 10:30. Getting her stripped down so we can wash it. Everything's getting washed. Four-wheeler, pit bike, all the pit mats. It was high in the low 30s Monday. Today, it's currently 70 at 10:30. It's supposed to be 80 today. It was 80 yesterday. We'll take it. Summer's fighting old man winter. Get her washed up and start the winter rebuild. Well, all set up. Nothing to it but to do it now.
Well, she's inside, getting blown off, she's wiped off. Blow all this off, pile of mud. Then we're going to do the pit nuts. And everything's clean for the winter. Well, they're all clean. Even the jack got cleaned up, four-wheeler, pit bike. "76 degrees, it's 12:30. Took us 2 hours to clean all that stuff. Not a bad day with 3 guys. It goes a lot quicker.
Put a couple rivets in it to hold the panel in, just keep it from
So these are our new lights that weigh 9,000 pounds to go on the side of the trailer where our halogens are. They're a lot brighter. That's all aluminum. Jake Tim's dad made for us. He had them powder coated and sent it to us. So Doug got this one put in already, and it is wrong one. A lot brighter and easier on the generator because it ain't pulling as many amps as these big honking things do. These are the boxes we had to take out to make them work. The other two are going there and there, which will be nice, be a lot brighter. Winter rebuild is taking place. Gotta get the floor stripped and get it resealed. I think Tyler's gonna do that. The guy that washes the car sometimes. He did the last S&S we had and it looked phenomenal, so I think we may let him do it again. And then we gotta get this side buffed. This is the only side that didn't get done last year because thought we might replace these panels back here where it was dented and scratched when we bought it, but we've got new tires coming, 8 of them for the back of the truck, so we don't have that issue. Servicing the batteries for the box, not the truck batteries, but the box. They were a little low on water, got them topped off and charged back up. Never ending. It's about maintenance on this thing is never ending, about like tire work is never ending. And that's a wrap on the 2025 season.